First martyr of Bodoland state movement is Sujit Narzary. Sujit Narzary was born in 1972, 8 January in kokrazar district, Patipara village. His father name was Mongol Singh Narzary and mother name was Lameshwari Narzary. Sujit Narzary's local name was Govla. When he was studying in class 10 in 1987, 12 June in Guwahati, Assam, there was a mass rally called by All Bodo Students Union, absu. In 1987, 12 June, from every Bodo village, there was the camp in Guwahati for mass rally programs. At least 20,000 Bodo people were gathered here. After finishing the program, Sujit Narzary also came from Guwahati to kokrazar in 31 National Highway Natkoshi Tihusuk. Sujit Narzary's team was wanted to rest sometimes. In this time, they were drinking tea and water. In this time, some unknown people attacked Sujit Narzary's team. Sujit Narzary was very seriously injured in his hand. His friend was admitted in Howley dispensary. The doctors of referred to another hospital, Borpeta Civil Hospital. After a few hours, the Sujit Narzary was no more. He was the first martyr of Bodoland state movement. At least in 50 years Bodoland movement, more than 5,000 Bodo peoples were martyred. Thank you.